Hey everyone, I'm Justin Hatfield. I'm the president of HECO, and I'm also the host of the RPM Symposium. Pretty excited to be giving a keynote address this year during the lunchtime. Bob Latino is going to kick us off with an awesome presentation talking about people making decisions related to reliability and root cause analysis, and how people and technology, like technology alone, is the answer. Well, I'm going to dive into technology a bunch, and it's going to be picking up a lot of what Bob started, but I'm going to be focusing around technology and how technology is disconnected, and how what we're trying to, we have a lot of history at HECO of technology, from our equipment management systems to IoT systems to predictive maintenance thing. And it's almost going to be like a product launch, because we're going to be talking a lot about some new things that we're working on that are going to start to connect these things, connecting vendors to plants better, connecting IoT data to equipment repair history data, connecting those repair vendors to the IoT vendors, right? We're doing some really neat things that are built on 30 plus years of doing this. And I'm pretty excited for it. It's all going to be through our Skylar platform that we have part ownership in with some other partners. Super excited to give that presentation at lunchtime and really focus it in around the problems that we think that connecting data and taking action on data and how important that is. So the presentation is called Insight is Good, Action is Better, Monitoring Maintenance and Repairs Finally Working Together. Excited to see everyone at RPM this year in Kalamazoo at the Radisson in downtown Kalamazoo. Hope you join us. Looking forward to seeing everyone there.
Hi, my name is Bob Latino, and I have the opportunity and the honor of kicking off this year's conference. And the title of this year is going to be Reliability Reconsidered, History's Lessons and Tomorrow's Demands. Those are a lot of $7 fancy words for saying that we're going to look at reliability's history, and we're going to say, are we making any progress? Are the same principles that we applied in the 70s. How far have we progressed with those? And if we haven't progressed as much as we should have, why haven't we? Because technology is going through the roof. So what are we missing with reliability that we're not capturing with technology? So I'm going to get into a lot of the people issues and the system issues, and understanding why good people make bad decisions, because I think that that's what's missing, especially in our root cause analysis type efforts. But we have to better understand people's decision making and why they thought the decisions they made at the time were correct. So I hope you'll join us, and no matter where you work, this will be taught in principles. And it will affect your jobs greatly, in the sense that you're going to think about, when the failure occurs, you're going to think about it a little bit differently after this. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you. And I call them HLMs, but we're going to have a conversation whether you like it or not.